Dream.
Huh? You said what?
Come on, girl.
Yeah. Georgia.
Heads here, Dream. Come on.
We are sleeping.
Where we at? Talk to your.
We at cool waters or pool water?
They don't need swimming vests. They professional.
Professions. Giovanni, you're the one that be decking your head coming back up in no time. You too. Professional pool.
Like I said, he's professional. Then he corrected it.
We at the pool, you guys. This is number 1 on the list for the summer vacation. So.
Yesterday
Oh,
was summer school, and today is the summer.
We used to play games out here. Here go country. Guys. Right. Trying to swim. Yeah, she almost drowned. Now she learned her lesson. No getting in the deep water, right? How you feeling it? Do it feel good?
Exasperated.
Huh?
I feel mad.
Mad about what?
Because Bobby want me to chase him in the deep end.
No, Bobby, he better not. Or I'm a. Huh?
gonna go, so y'all just stay tuned to the vlog because we will get a little all these Sundays and Mondays. No, Sunday, Monday.
Today's Saturday.
Today is Saturday. We're doing it on Saturday.
Tomorrow is church, and then Monday or Tuesday we got another thing on the list to do as far as in your
Picnic.
summer vacation. Yeah, it's the picnic next. Period.
So y'all just stay tuned on the game.